Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Flamingo. I'm Jay, and today I have part 2 of my TEMU haul. Before I get into the haul, I gotta take a moment to just say, hey. If you are new, what we do here is like craft hauls, crafts, DIYs, things like that. With that said, let's just get into this TEMU haul. Can y'all tell I'm a little excited about this haul? If you haven't seen part 1 of this haul, after this video, I just recommend that you go check out the haul and see what the first thing I got, because that one item took the whole haul. It was so many things in that one item that I got from them. It was really nice, and I was really pleasantly surprised. This haul, I have everything turned over because I kind of forgot some of the things that I picked. I want to be surprised. I want to have a surprise. Also, before I forget, if you are new to TEMU, you can use code OFF5532 and that will give you 30% off your first order. Also, with TEMU, you get free shipping, free returns in the US, and that's just in the US only. This is, I do remember ordering these. Actually, no, I don't. These are just little hearts. They have iridescence to them. And I got these because they're to me, these are versatile because you can do paper crafting with them. You can not hot glue. You can glue these to when my girls were little, things like this I would make cute like t-shirt designs with and glue them on there. Also, I also like to glue earring backs to stuff like this. Make you some cute little earrings with them. I also forgot to tell y'all, just check the description box below for the links to any items that you see in this haul that you may want to grab for yourself. And if you're new, don't forget to use that code and save you some coin. So let's see what I have next. So let's turn it around. Oh, this is so cute. So I got a lot of things to make charms, jewelry, keychains, things like that. I wanted to start doing that again. So how many are in here? 10. So you get 10 blue bears. Wow. Maybe I could do like a crafty exchange. If there's someone that wants to do like an exchange with the little charms, maybe we could do that, because I don't think I'll need all 10. But these are cute. Ow, I don't really even remember picking these, but they are so cute. And their t-shirt says nice. I don't know if you can see that. So let me know if you want to do a crafty like charm swap or something. So I probably could send you like 5 of these, and just let me know. Here is the next thing, and look y'all, little popsicles, and they come in different colors. They say I love you. These are cute. Oh man, so how many of these do I get? 12. So there's 12 of them. So like I said, if you want to do like a crafty charm exchange or something like that, let me know so I can because I won't need all these. We can exchange them. But look how cute they are. This is going to be so cute to make little charms, or to put them on little she could put them on her little necklaces. Oh, she could even make some for her and all her friends. That would be cute. Little like friendship necklaces. Oh, okay, so this is a charm that I ordered from my youngest daughter because she is such a little gamer girl. She's so into gaming. So I got her this. It's a Nintendo Wii. No, it's a Nintendo Switch. What is that? I think I'm confused. I think the newest one is the Switch, but I could be wrong. But I got this for her to wear. I'm going to make her a little charm bracelet and put this on there. And oh, the back has stars. And I know she's going to love that. So I got this. So, oh, these are cute. These are so cute. These are little gummy bears. Let me open them so y'all can see them really. Here's what they look like. They look like real gummy. Y'all, they look like real gummy bears. This reminds me of that Coca-Cola gummy candy, but it's in a bear. Let me show you. These are so cute. Oh yeah. I love these. Look at this. So I probably will make her a whole bracelet out of these little gummy bears. Also, like I said, if you already know, if you craft, you can make little charms and keychains and things, but this is cute. Oh, they're so lightweight. I could do earrings with them too. So that's adorable. I love this. So the last thing in this, I already flipped it over, y'all. The last thing in this haul is a flower mold, and I'm gonna open it so you can see. I got this to do for clay. clay resin things like that. Oh, it's just like a little, I don't know if you can see it, and it just has those pretty flowers, these types of flowers. So I got this I got it to use with clay and to put on top of, I thought it would be cute to do like fake cookies and to put like the little spring flowers on. I thought that would be cute. Also, I think I'm pretty sure you can use it with resin as well. I don't think this is food safe though. It didn't say that it was, but this is the end of this TEMU haul. I have part 3 coming up, and that will be coming up tomorrow. So if you want to see the rest of that haul, don't forget to tune in tomorrow. I really appreciate you for watching this haul, especially if you made it to the end. And with that said, oh, don't forget to use that code OFF5532. Well, off 5532 to get 30% off your first TEMU haul. And do not forget, if they have free shipping, free returns, if you're in the US, you can use AfterPay, their secure payment, and they have hundreds of items for under $10. I know, because all of these were like no more than, there's nothing here that was no more than $3. Most of it was like $1 and something. So with that said, I will see you next time, next crafty haul, next DIY, next craft. Bye.